Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's Tom over at Gas. We'll just do a short video this week featuring our festive Christmas tree. Nice little decorations on there. We've been out of the workshop quite a lot. Breakdowns, batteries, expected this time of year in the winter. So not too much going on. So just mainly MOTs this week, servicing, brakes, basic maintenance stuff. Got BMW 3 Series in, that come in with a leaking rocket covered gasket, which we're just putting back together. When I removed the box on that, it was just fixed sludge. Not sure when the last time it was serviced, so we'll be speaking to the customer about that one. But yeah, there's a bit of a mess inside, so we'll see how that goes. I got Mercedes C-Class in, that's for some suspension arm. Wheel bearing just need adjusting on the front. ML in, and this got recovered into us yesterday. It's got a few issues going on with it. Suspect that the DPF's blocked on it, so we'll tune back in later and then we'll go through the process together. So that's the end of today. A few drop-ins all day really. Rod blades, bulbs, tyre pressures, all the standard items you'd expect this time of year coming into winter. Darker nights, so that keeps us busy. So we'll just go have a quick look at the ML. So I've had a look into it. It's not actually got DPF fitted, so we can rule that out straight away. So we're going to start it up. Struggle to start a bit. See the vehicle won't rev up. So we got a stored fault in there. Exhaust back pressure too high. So we need to determine whether it's the sensor or in fact there is a blockage on the exhaust system, which, I mean, it won't rev up, so it's looking like which is indicating possibly a blockage in the exhaust. So what we do is we do a bit of a plausibility test on the sensor, so we'll know for sure if it's the actual sensor or if it is excessive back pressure. So bear with us. So yeah, just back on the ML. Had to dash off in the inn last night, so Saturday morning. So looking at the actual values, the reading for the exhaust back pressure is around 4.5 bar, and that's at standstill, so already we can kind of rule out that there's an issue with the sensor. Shouldn't have that much pressure at standstill. So what I've done, I've whipped the sensor out, connected our gauge, and then we got nothing there, what we'd expect. Sensor's still plugged in. Still reading around 4.5 bar. So we can safely say that the sensor's at fault. What we're going to do is start it up. We're just going to check the readings, the pressure in the system, make sure we've got no blockages. So we're a little bit high. Just try giving it a rev. switch that off. So clear to see, got a massive amount of exhaust back pressure there when we're revving it up. So we know that the sensor's faulty, which is no doubt caused by the excessive exhaust back pressure. So now we just need to find the source of the excessive pressure. So that just wraps up this short video. Sorry there's not much on it this week. The email, we'll get back on that next week. Just got to finish today, Saturday morning off, got a little service in, and a noise from around the auxiliary belt, probably a tensioner or an idler. That's about it really. If you like our little videos, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll keep posting some more videos for you all. Yeah, like I say, sorry about this week, bit of a short video, but let us know what you want to see. Is there any jobs you want to see if we get in, or servicing, time lapsing? Let us know.